Hey everyone! Using Ollama in VS Code is the ultimate way to get 100% private local AI coding assistance without a subscription. In 2026, the most popular way to bridge the two is through the Continue extension. Today, I'm showing you how to use it in VS Code. Step 1. Install and run Ollama. We are starting with the Ollama desktop application. We do this to create the local engine that will run your AI models. Download Ollama from ollama.com and install it. Open your terminal and type Ollama pull llama 3.1.8b for chat and Ollama pull qwen 2.5-coder-1.5b for lightning-fast autocomplete. Make sure Ollama is running in your system tray or type Ollama list in the terminal to verify your models are ready. Step 2. Install the Continue extension. Now we're heading to VS Code. We're heading to the extensions marketplace, Ctrl-Shift-X. We do this to install the interface that lets you talk to your local models. Search for Continue, the open source AI code assistant, and click Install. A new Continue icon will appear in your left-hand sidebar. Step 3. Connect Ollama to Continue. We are looking at the Continue config file. We do this to tell VS Code exactly which local models to use for different tasks. Click the Continue icon, then click the gear or settings icon at the bottom. Select Add Chat Model and choose Ollama as the provider. In 2026, you can simply select Auto Detect in the model dropdown. Continue will automatically find the Llama and Qwen models you pulled in Step 1. Step 4. Start coding locally. We are finishing with the keyboard shortcuts. We do this to use the AI directly on your code without ever leaving the editor. Highlight code and press Ctrl-L or Command-L on Mac to send it to the chat window for explanation or debugging. Highlight code and press Ctrl-I to ask the AI to make direct changes, like refactor this to use a loop. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.